Hi, welcome to my channel. So I bought this induction cooktop today from Great Eastern Shopping Mall, and I thought that I should make a video on it. Okay, let's just take the box out and see what is there. So it's of the brand USHA. USHA induction cooktop. Here is the warranty written here, 1600 watt. It's 1 year warranty, free home service. That means if you find any problem regarding the induction cooktop, you can call the toll-free number. They will give home service. There are some features written here. There is the power saving mode. Here is the pan sensor technology. Here is the 5 preset menus for Indian cooking, and there is also a manual control by which you can just adjust the temperature by yourself. Okay, and here you can see there are a lot of features. That means there is the product name, the model, the power, the voltage, the frequency, technical, all description is written here. The weight is almost 2 kg, and the dimension is also mentioned here. And I will also measure the dimension in front of you. I will just show it to you. And here there is the toll-free number. Okay, I'm just zooming it for your convenience. Here is the toll-free number. That means you can call this toll-free number if you find any problem regarding the induction cooktop. Okay, if there is any technical problem. Okay, and these are other some options maybe you require. You can just see. Okay, so let's just open the box and see what is there inside of it. Okay. This is the sticker. You can remove the sticker, and you can read before just removing it. You can read whatever is there. There will be no flame burns, faster cooking. So in this induction cooktop has this kind of efficiency. So let's just measure its dimensions. So horizontally it's 26 semi, and let's just see vertically it's 26. It's almost 26 semi. So quite a large surface area. Now let's just discuss about the controls of this machine. First, come to manual option. Suppose you want to set the temperature by yourself. You know, you're an expert. You know at what temperature you can make the curry, you can make deep fry, you can make milk or tea, you can make idli. You know everything at what temperature it must be set. So you can go in manual option. You can just set the temperature by yourself. Okay, and you can set by this plus minus option. This plus is to increase the temperature, and this minus is to decrease the temperature. Now many people are there who don't know the temperature, who are not expert. So no need to panic. There are other 5 preset options. These preset options just help you to set the temperature set by the machine itself. Now let's take an example. You want to make milk or tea for your guest.
Now you can either make it by this manual option. If you press the manual, you have to just set the temperature by yourself by this plus or minus, increasing or decreasing the temperature. Or if you're not an expert, you were not ever about the temperature, you can go in this milk or tea option. Just press this option, the temperature will be set by this machine. Okay, suppose you want to make deep fry, you can also do it by this manual option. Or if you're not an expert, you are not confident, you can just press this deep fry, the temperature will be set by this machine. Okay, so you can understand the difference. In manual, you just set the temperature by yourself, and this in remaining 5, the temperature will be set by this machine. Okay, so it's up to your convenience at what condition you can cook the material quite well. It's up to you. Okay, and here is the timer option. You see, is the timer option. This timer is to set the time, and this pause. If you want to pause in the middle of cooking, in the middle of processing, and you want to make you want to add more ingredients, so you can just pause in the middle, just add those ingredients, and again you can start by this pause option. Okay, and this is the power option. You can just on or off this machine by this just pressing this option. And this is the power cable. Here you can see. Let me just show you. So it supports 16 ampere and 250 volts. Okay, and let's just understand practically by cooking something in front of you. I must at least I must show you how to boil water in this induction cooktop. Okay, before going for demonstration, I must say you that first, where you place the induction cooktop, here there must be at least 10 cm gap between the wall and the top of the induction cooktop. So here is the wall and here is the top of the induction cooktop. So this gap must be at least 10 cm gap. Here the gap is, I made it almost, it's a 20 centimeter gap. So first you must assure it first, then you can go for cooking. And the second point is, whatever utensils you place, that must be of either steel or cast iron. You should not place any copper or aluminum plate. So these 2 points are very vital before you go for cooking anything in this induction cooktop. So let's go for cooking. So I have taken this steel container. Okay, I'll place it right in the encircular region. You should not just come out of this region or go beyond this circular part. I should place it right within this encircular region. So first thing, you must assure before just giving the power. So I have decided to boil some quantity of water. I will just give some water like this. Here you can see, and I will just give the power. So you can see when I'm just giving the power supply from the switchboard, it's indicating that power has already come. So I'll just press this power option here, and here you can see it already started. So it's the manual option is already set here, and the temperature is already given by this machine. So you can just adjust the temperature just like pressing this plus option is to just increase the temperature, and if you want to decrease the temperature, you can just press this minus option. So in this way you can just decrease the temperature, and it will be just indicated here also, you can see. Okay, so in this for your convenience I'm showing it to you more clearly. So I'm just pressing plus, it will increase the temperature, and this minus will decrease the temperature. Okay, you can just decrease more to 300 watts. Again I'm just increasing to 500 watts. Again you can increase to 700 watts. So according to your convenience you can increase or decrease the power. So let's see how much it takes to boil. Here you can see it's boiling. Here is the time indicated here. So on 1 minute is already over, and I think in 5 minutes it will just the water will be just boil up. So here you can see it's boiling quite well. It's almost now 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes. I think it's already over, and here you can see it's boiling quite well. When you are done with it, so you can directly just go in this power option, and I will press this, the machine will shut down. And remember one thing, that when you shut down the machine, you shouldn't just switch off the power supply from the switchboard. At least you should stay for 3 minutes, then you can just switch off the power supply. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video.